a double page layout using the Kaisercraft Christmas Wishes collection. I've got a 6x6 paper pad that I'm using and a 12x12. So I'm just doing a really basic layout showing you I'm using Indigo ink. That's the colour that I'm using to go around the edges. I'm just creating a super basic template. It's really easy. Line everything up nice and straight. I'd like to know if you guys prefer really quick sped up layouts like this, or if you would prefer I do them a little bit slower so you can see it sort of more real time. Just pop it in the comments below. And I'm using tape like this at the moment. I have ordered a tape runner, a tape gun, tape dispenser. It's not an ATG, it's a different one. It's a little bit smaller. So hopefully, fingers crossed, don't mind my daughter's hand up in the top corner there. Hey, I'm a mum. This is keeping it real. So I distress the edges a little bit and tape this down. At the moment I use this tape. If you're curious, I'm in Australia and I get, here in Australia I use my tape, I get my tape from Spotlight. It's only, I get it on sale usually, and it's between $12 and $14 for multiple thicknesses, and they come in, I think they're 16 metre lengths, so it's very cost effective. But I am going to trial this new tape runner. Hopefully it works. It might work better for my hands. As you can see, they're quite puffy because I have rheumatoid arthritis really bad. Hence why I scrapbook, to keep me busy and keep my hands moving. So this is me. This is my youngest daughter cooking Christmas cookies for Santa on Christmas Eve. And this is so what I'm trying to get, these next few layouts, what I'm trying to do is show you guys that to be a scrapbooker, you do not need to buy kits. Whilst they're wonderful, they make it easy and they're beautiful, don't get me wrong. I quite often scrapbook with whatever I have. So I buy the paper that I like, and then I make my embellishments and my bits and pieces work from that paper. So I match them up myself. It is much more cost effective. This particular layout has, these doilies cost me $6. And I got about 4 or 5 different sizes. Now these flowers that I'm using here, that's just a pop out from a cutout from the 6x6 paper pad. And these are the vellum flowers. I've had them forever. They're from Cocoa Vanilla, and I bought them because I love them, and I thought I'd go down the route of buying kits, etc. The problem with that is, down here in Australia, the postage is off the charts. Like, it's crazy expensive. So I quickly rethought that idea, but I had already bought these vellum flowers. Now, I've got to be honest, I did not know how to use them. I struggled. So what I ended up doing is, if you can see that piece of purple foam next to me, I ended up using my embossing tool, and I sat the flat flower on that and just very gently rolled the embossing tool in the center, and it pushed the flower up and made it more 3D. Then I was able to use it. So I was able to create clusters with it, and I'm not one for over cluttering my page. I'm a storyteller foremost, and don't get me wrong, I love a detailed scrapbook page. I love cut files, all of those things. This particular page, I didn't want to over clutter it because I wanted it to just be very basic, very simple, and let the photos speak for themselves. So, and also I find when you're using purple, purple can become very overwhelming. I love purple, mauve, lilac, all the shades, right through to magenta. I love all of those shades, but sometimes they can be very overwhelming. So try not to add in more colours, introduce more colours and all the rest of it. I wanted to just keep it simple because this is actually a Christmas layout, believe it or not. And these are Christmas papers out of a Christmas paper pad, but it's purple. So, and it works. So I've just brought out my, my title. I've just popped it up the top there. Now these are It's a Boy thickers. I bought a couple of packs of them when they were on sale at Spotlight, and I make this look really hard here. I had it all back to front, and I'm looking at it now thinking, that is not how you normally do that, Karen. What are you thinking? But, oh well. It is what it is. These videos will get better. I watch YouTube videos and some people make it just seem so simple. So I fast forwarded it for you because honestly, I couldn't even watch me do that backwards. It was painful. So I made the title really long because I really like the effect sometimes of having lots of words, lots of description, that sort of thing. Whether it's tiny stickers, which I do quite a lot with my Creative Memories stickers. That's what I started off with, was Creative Memories. And I still have a lot of their stuff and I love it. So this was pretty much almost getting to the end now. My 2 pages, and I was just looking at them and I thought, yep, they're done. No, they're not. So this is my little tray that I keep my Stickles or my Nuvo drops in. So I use diamond Stickles, and I just popped that into the center of the vellum flowers, and they look so pretty. It's really hard to pick up here on camera, but it looks really, really pretty. And then I figured I would run around the edges. I'm going through a border phase. I need to have a border on my pages. I didn't want to add another backing page. I just wanted to do it like this, add a bit of ink around the edges, and it worked perfectly. So I hope you like the layout. Please like and subscribe if you have any suggestions for me, any advice. I would love to hear it. Please leave a comment below and share it to your friends if you like my pages, my channel. I'm really struggling to get used to this. I'll do it. I'm going to do it. And there you go. Done. Thanks for watching.